So log on to any web browser on your mobile phone or on your desktop and simply type aamusted.edu.gh and patiently wait for the link to load. Now, once it gets loaded, it is going to open an interface like this for you, of which you're going to see about academics, admissions, students, staff, research, alumni, etc. You click on admissions, and if you are now looking forward to apply, you click on admission portal. You enter your serial number and your PIN you bought from the bank to apply. Since we are looking forward to how to gain admissions or to see if we've gained admission already, you go back and click on admissions and you click on print admission letter. Now, once you click on print admission letter, the interface is going to open and request for your applicant's ID and your first name or your last name. You enter that correctly and click on check. Now, once you click on check, the next interface is going to pop up. If indeed they've given you admission, you should see something like, "Hi Loretta," or your name. You have been offered admission to pursue BSc Biological Sciences Education, or you've been offered admission to pursue whatever program you selected or you applied during the application process. And so congratulations to each and every one of you. For those of you who applied to Akenten Appiah Menka University, popularly known as AAMUSTED. Looking forward to see you guys, and stay tuned and stay connected right here.